Hi, Rich Spezzano here with Digitally Fearless, and today I'm going to show you something that was really peculiar, but I did solve it. So let's get started. Whenever I went to print an Affinity photo, and I'll show you like this, File, Print, and I'd get this red box. Doesn't matter what printer I use. I normally use my Canon Pro for color, and I get this red box, and I didn't know what was going on, and there were a few people online who were asking about this. Here's the simple fix. Affinity Photo is warning you. So say you look at your document size, and my document size is, I'll do it in inches actually, 46 by 34 inch. So I'll cancel that. So now if I say File, Print, and doesn't matter, once again, whatever printer I choose, this red box comes up. And the reason for that is the scale is set to 100%. So Affinity Photo is warning you that this is not going to print on an 8.5 by 11 paper, which I have it set up for here. So I can either change the size of the paper, or I can do scale, and I can say fit to printer, and then the red box goes away. So there you have it. It's a simple fix. It was only warning you, which is not a bad thing. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and if you did, please click like and subscribe, and have a good day.